So, we have to clean the plants one by one. The leaves. Ayan. Ayan. These are expensive plants. Very delicate leaves. I use Joy with little water and to wipe the leaves one by one. Oh, it's dead already. I have to cut this one. Not nice. Yeah. So I have to cut because it's not nice anymore. The leaves. So here, there. There. So that the leaves will become shiny. Shiny. The leaves will be shiny. And ito, naputol naman na. Yan. Yan na lang siya. Tulin natin yung sira, guys. Kasi matakdan ng uban. Yan. Yan. Diba? Here. Malinis na siya. Also here. Para malinis. Yan. Meron pang dumi. Oh. So, these are the expensive plants. Indoor plants, very expensive. So I have done already this one, the other one. So got to take care of this. Okay, I finished already cleaning this one. It's very beautiful. Okay, so I have to get another. See, you see the leaves? It's clear, shiny, beautiful. This one also. So we have to clean this one. Okay. So cut the rotten leaves. So it looks like this. See? This one also. This one. This plant also. This one. I have to wash it again. I will just remove the first dirt. This is one by one the stalk. Wipe. So very delicate. This one is delicate plants. Ano na pangalan ng plant na ito? Yan. I have to wipe again. Just remove the first dumi. Dumi na una. Tika. Ay. Dali! Koy! Ha? Koy daw!
Ay, manglakaw na sila.
Oo, ato silang mate.
Wapo pa itong mabulak no sa Black Cardinal.
Oo. Saan ni Bulaka?
Ambot, mahal na siya nga bulak din.
Lagi.
Ako punta nga dako.
Si